Hello, this is Mech Brickware. Today I'll be beating this. It's set number 71821, calls Titan Dragon Mech. It contains 1055 pieces and contains one minifig, which is calls himself. So, sorry I didn't film for a couple of weeks as I was helping my wife with other stuff and trying to learn YouTube videos out of AI. So, I'm trying to learn AI right now, so that's my other thing that's going on. And things like that. So, also, I'm feeling living under the weather this week lately, so that's why I waited this time to build a Lego set. So I'll go put it on the YouTube, okay? So the reason using a bag of parts instead of like the box of parts, because as I mentioned in my haul video last year from September, I had to leave the box at my relatives. So I had to put it in the plastic bag so it could fit in my my luggage. So this is what about. So let's take what's inside, okay? So here are the bags, and here's the blades that comes with it, and here's the Mech's bigger sword piece, and then here's the instruction book. What is this? And for some reason, this comes with 4 instruction bags, so in a smaller case. So here's what's that? So here's instruction number 1. Okay. Here's number 2. Okay, like this. And here's number 3. And here's number 4. And some sticker sheets right here. So this comes in paper bags, which is good. Okay, let's find the first bag. Bag number 1, number 2, number 6, number 3. Enough. 2. Oh. Oh. 떨어지면 안 돼. That's number 5. Oh. Here's number 3. Number 4, number 5, so there's no confusion, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, I guess the waist level you could tell is number 9, number 10, and number 11. So there are 11 bags all. So I'll sort the bags and do the build. So this is the finished build of the set number 71821 Cole's Titan Dragon Mech. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the other side, and here's the other side. So of course the mech is pretty posable. You could do it like this, you could do it like this, and then also, and this is where you put the minifig, and this is his head, and this is the main body. And of course, when you build the feet right here, make sure you build it upright and make sure the part of this feet is like this, upright. It's easy to use hinge place right here. I guess that's the most difficult I had was the building the feet part right there, but now of course they come 10 separate bags, so you have to, you know, build 10 by each, and this is a pretty neat looking bag. Of course, it comes in with one minute, which is Cole himself, and of course, you know, he's the element. He was the element of Earth. Because most of the details are sticker like right here, and right here on the breastplate, right there. And we just take them almost right in the back of the feet, like this. It's pretty staple on, and it's robo fits like from like Optimus Prime from Transformers. So this is a pretty good model way to build. Of course, by the time you're watching this, this set has since retired, so you might have to get it from aftermarket. Of course, when they sell it, it costs $100, but I think there was $10 more since last year. And then, of course, this set came in 2024. This is a pretty good mech. Of course, this is not the only Titan mech set I have, as I have this one, which is Zane's Titan mech. This one is a little bit smaller. Of course, this is also a remake, and of course, the original one was smaller than this. But this is, I guess, this is more to a minifig scale, and this is the rough size. And of course, for Zane's Titan mech, he comes with a spinning blade, a small sword, and 2 shooters like they're on top. Of course, there's another type. There's 2 more. That's that was all before, and that's one from Jay Titan mech, which I like to get. Let me know comments if you want to get me that. And also, they're gonna release Loi's Titan mech, which is coming out in March, which I didn't know. So that's more than 1,600. No, that's more than 1,200 pieces. Costs $130, I believe, USA. So let me comment if you want to get that as well. So as I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. And see you on the next video. And have a mega fantastic day. And bye bye.